Welcome to the Fast Reverse Kegel exercise tutorial, focusing on quick relaxation of the pelvic floor muscles. Fast reverse Kegels are centered around a pushing action, akin to trying to accelerate the flow of urine. This exercise is about actively pushing down, not just relaxing the muscles. The goal is to perform this action rapidly, aiming for 2 reverse Kegels per second. Let's start with our first set. Ready? Begin 1, 2, 1, 2, and continue. That's 20 reps. Now, take a short break and allow your muscles to relax and breathe. Prepare for the second set. This time, try adding 1 or 2 more seconds to the pushing action. Ready? Begin 1, 2, 1, 2, and continue. Remember, fast reverse Kegels are about enhancing the quick response and control of your pelvic floor muscles through a deliberate pushing action. Regular practice will help you develop better control and strength in these muscles.